to my channel. I have been thinking about having a YouTube channel for a while, but I've just never had the time or just too lazy to do the work, but I am ready. So my channel is going to be about lifestyle, motherhood, and cooking. As you can detect in an accent, I'm not from here. I'm originally from Congo, and my father's from Rwanda. I moved to the US when I was a teenager, but I have been living here for more than 20 years, so I'm not new. But I had to learn how to cook Congolese food. I didn't grow up with a mom, but I had to learn how to make Congolese food. So some of the food are delicious. As I grow older, I had to learn. So I'm gonna share some recipes. It's gonna be my way, okay? Congolese food, my way. So please don't judge me. I learned them, and so far nobody have complained, okay? Yeah, so every week I'll be sharing some meals, some easy way to do it, because some of the meals, they take up so much time and so much recipe, so many ingredients, but yeah, it's gonna be fun. Today I'm gonna share some tea. I live in the Midwest. It's cold. Okay, so I'm this African girl that moved to California, which is really warm. Lived there for more than 14 years, and then moved into the Midwest where it's cold. So you can imagine. I always drink tea like on a regular basis, at least 3 cups of tea every day. Now it started getting cold. But so I'm just gonna share a little quick tea recipe that I like drinking like at least twice a day at least. Even I drink tea, but I usually drink coffee too. I try not to, but I do. But anyway, so I have some stuff. I have some tea. I'm gonna use a slice of lemon, and any choice of green tea, but just right now I'm currently taking this organic green tea for Uncle Lee's tea. I think I got it at Walmart. Anyway, so just any green tea will do. Just put it in there, and this is actually hot water that I warmed up earlier, and I just like to pour some water in there. This is my favorite cup. If it's not, this is the glass one, but it says blessed. I don't know if you can see, but I love this cup. It's so big, and yeah. And in that tea, I usually like ginger, the ginger root itself, but since I don't want to go through that, I have powdered. So usually I just couple dash of ginger powder, and I'll get some honey. I try to cut down on sugar. Yeah, honey. I usually do a tablespoon, and I'm good. And I'll be drinking this usually in the morning and in the evening. But when I'm not at work or I'm just home the whole day, I can have like four cup of teas. No joke. But yeah, so a little quick tea while you're at home in this cold. But yeah, anyways, another thing that I'm gonna share, growing up I didn't really have a lot of African clothes, so just the older I get, I'm trying to get into having, being proud of who I am. It took me a while just trying to live with different people, impressing either my Congolese side or my Rwandese side. But since after turning 30, I turned 30 a long time ago, don't ask me when, but I decided I'm just gonna learn a little bit about myself, being proud of my roots. So anyways, I have this custom made like blazer that I love so much. It's so long, it's all the way down there. It's beautiful. Anyways, if you have any question or any comments, please comment down below. All right, thanks for stopping by.